my channel. It's your girl Crystal, and I am back with another video. Let's address the elephant in the room. New hairstyle. I hope you guys like it. I was trying something different. Before we get into today's video, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It helps your girl out with my channel, and of course it allows you to see more of me. So in today's video, I figured that I was going to do kind of like a narrator kind of video. So I saw Kennedy Simone do a video like that because I watch her, and she had like a bunch of videos, I guess, that she never got to upload, and instead of just, you know, making those videos go to waste, she decided to kind of just show the clips of whatever it was she was doing while kind of explaining prior to each clip what was going on. So I figured I would try that with you guys because I have a couple of just some vlogs that I did like over the past 2 weeks or so that I haven't gotten a chance to put up, you know, so I figured I would do that with you guys today. So the first clip that you guys are about to see, I have my phone here because I am not going to remember, because usually when I'm vlogging like on a lazy day, I vlog with my phone. So I should have the clips in here. So the first clip you're about to see is this is probably about 2 weeks ago when I went to Target all by myself because I had to get like a few things. I had to get litter for my cat, and I had to get edge control because your girl was out. Of course, this was before I got this hairstyle. So I went to Target on my own. So I'm just gonna show you guys a quick clip of that, of me, you know, getting into my little shenanigans on my own. And then once that clip is done, I'm gonna come back and let you guys know what the next clip is gonna be about. Going to the mall. I should go this way. Let's go this way. Target. Pet care. God, this place is freaking so different now. I can't find, I don't know where anything is. Let's go this way because this lady's in a chair.
And they have 40.
Alright, that's what I'm looking for right here. I need cat litter. I wanted this big ass. Had this bucket before. That shit might be hella heavy to carry though. Where else did I have to go in the mall? Edge control, Halloween, deodorant, Missy's litter, Halloween black cover. This shit is probably heavy as fuck. Not that bad. Touch odor solutions. How heavy this is. Oh, this shit is heavy. Alright, I think I'm gonna take that one. Task. All right. Is this the edge control? This is so little. Look how tiny this is. Huh. Here's a variety and encourages growth. Safeguards others not use distinction which formation intention. What else did I need on here? That's it. Alright, so this next clip, I think this was the weekend that just passed. Hubby's grandma, it was her 70th birthday and she had this big birthday bash, and of course, as usual, I had no idea what I wanted to wear. So originally the plan was for me to go to the mall, get something to wear, and hubby decided to tag along with me. So, you know, we basically took an Uber to the mall to kind of find an outfit. So the clip you're about to see right now is kind of us on the way to get my outfit. I don't think I actually vlogged me getting the outfit, and I actually don't have a picture either of my outfit. I have like a half shot of my outfit, so I can definitely show you guys that. So yeah, I'm gonna put that clip in right now. Oh, see that? That's not my fault. You gonna buy anything from the mall? What? You gonna buy anything from the mall? Wait, is this where we got the crab ass?
No. This is no shit.
Oh, okay, that's why. Freaking worst place that you could possibly be. This is Utica number 2. It's always people over here. So yeah, guys. Oh my god, you can see my double chin. Yeah, so I have to find an outfit. I don't know what I'm gonna wear. Then I feel like I'm gonna have to like do my makeup. Just a little bit. I don't even know if I'm gonna do foundation, because lately I've been looking really nice for no foundation. I think I'm gonna just do my eyes, put on my lashes, you know, brows maybe, and that's it. But then it's like part of me wants to beat my whole face. Yeah, I'm gonna take a nap. I'll check out in a little bit. We're in Burger King. We're getting some food.
Recording?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, okay.
Always recording. Yeah. I use that machine thing. You know that shit. That machine when you come inside a Burger King. You could put the what happened? Go tell her. Let's tell her to order for Luke. I don't even think that should work because we've been sitting here. Yo, the time right now. Can't even see the time, but I think it's like almost 6 o'clock. And then I gotta go pick up my mom on the airport. Running behind, and I wanted to clean the house. I don't know. Looking like I'm not gonna be able to clean the house. I know I look crazy right now, but I'm gonna look nice tomorrow.
tomorrow for the party. I'm gonna show you guys what I look like. Look at hubby. Waiting for our food.
So that's it for my video today. Short, sweet, and to the point. I figure you know, showing you guys something is better than not showing you guys anything. I am back on my makeup routines. As you guys can see, I was doing a little bit of the eyeshadow and the brows with no foundation, especially like in the summer. But now that we're into fall and it's a little chillier and cool, it's a lot better environment to have foundation. So your girl has gone full back into her makeup routine. I'm talking contour and everything. So that's what you guys are seeing right now, the lashes, all of that good stuff. I'm still in my clothes that I wore to work because, of course, if you're new to my channel and you don't know this, your girl works full-time and does her YouTube on the side, for those of you guys who don't know. And of course, again, if you're new, like, go ahead and subscribe to your girl's channel, hit that red button, and don't forget the notification bell, because that is going to alert you every time I have a new video so you don't miss out. But that's really all I have for you guys today. I really just wanted to check in with you guys. I literally like go through withdrawals when I'm not on YouTube. It's super weird. I'm pretty sure every other YouTuber kind of goes through this. So I'm going to get back into my makeup routines for you guys. I feel like I've kind of drifted completely away from the makeup aspect of my channel. Not, you know, and of course I didn't want my channel to be based solely on makeup. I wanted it to be fun, and you know, if it has to like show me, it's way more than makeup. So I'm gonna make the next video for you guys a makeup tutorial. I know I'm super late on this, but I got the e.l.f. foundation and the putty primer, I believe it's called. First of all, that putty primer has been sitting in my makeup drawer for like I don't know, since summer. So I'm like super late, but it doesn't matter. I'm still going to do a makeup tutorial for you guys, and maybe I'll do like a nice fall look, because I've been into these really like dark fall looks, kind of like this one. So I'll probably do that for you guys and try the foundation at the same time. But thank you guys so much for tuning in with your girl again, and thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you subscribe if you're a new subscriber, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye guys.